Hey, what's up, everyone? This is Josh here. So, today we are going to take a look at how are we going to turn this filthy weekender bag to look like a new one. So, this bag has been sitting inside my closet for close to 2 years, and the reason is pretty simple. I don't travel that often anymore, so this happened, and moles just started growing all around. So to clean those moles off, you need a cleaner. What I'm using here is from Lexol. What I like about it is that it doesn't feel sticky on the hands after using it like some other brands. So next, get a rock and a little bit of the cleaner on it. And what you want to do is to just start buffing on the bag. Make sure to get into those small difficult areas and keep cleaning them off until no moles are present. Once you have cleaned it thoroughly, it should look something like that. And give it for about 1 hour to dry so that you can apply the second step, which is conditioning it. So we're going to use Lexol All Leather Conditioner to condition the leather. So a conditioner actually rehydrates leather, which then prevents them from actually cracking and looking old. So same thing like the cleaner, apply it into the leather and you'll see it slowly rehydrates by itself. Once you're done with the conditioner, your bag should look something like that. Give your bag some time to actually absorb all the conditioner, and it'll take about a day, 24 hours, so please be patient. Lastly, what I like to do is to actually polish my bag, mainly at the stretch up areas and at the side, to give it a little bit more of a sheen to it. What I'm using is this simple kiwi polish. You can use any other brands if you like to. And we're done. Doesn't it look like a new one? So the same method can be applied to your shoes. These are my double mount straps and my chukka boots. Well, you probably need an additional brush, but the methodology is the same. Anyways, I hope you enjoy my take on cleaning leather, and I will see you in the next one.